What's up SLP Coin Holders, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about smooth low portion about SLP coin, guys. In this video now you can see here that is the warning video for all SLP coin holders, guys, because now in the latest situation SLP coin completely dumps. You can see here, guys, now everything is on the front of your eyes. The whole price chart of you can see here completely. That is the last 1 day price chart, and completely the whole day the SLP coin price dumps, decrease, guys. Anyways, guys, if you are new on my channel, if you don't subscribe my channel, so please click the subscribe button right now for more news and update videos about SLP coin, guys. Guys, the changes is completely going negative, so what should we do at this time? Is it the best time to sell? Is it the best time to hold, guys? Now I recommend for you that please hold. I know, guys, that in a latest situation, in a right now situation, SLP coin price is negative, but I also know that after some bit of time, after 2 days, after 1 day, the SLP coin price will become positive, guys. Well, become positive. I know that there is a temporary falls. You can see here, if you look at the latest situation, so now in the latest situation they are trying to jump. You can see here, guys, they are trying to jump, and I hope, guys, that they continue this jump for a long time, guys. So personally I'm feeling very good about SLP coin. My prediction is also going positive about SLP coin, and I believe, guys, that tomorrow or the next day the SLP coin price changes will become positive, guys. Anyways, guys, what you think? What is your prediction? What is your opinion about SLP coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.